can tell by the way you in love with me. You can get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you circle me, 'cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Got your free time, you don't need no me time, that's you and me time.
Hey guys, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome to Vibing with Kia TV. I'm Kia and this is your best place for natural hair vlogs and reviews. Today's video will be a quick tutorial on a Halloween look that I need to do, and I will be becoming a fairy. And when I think of fairy, I think of green. You can be another kind of fairy, but all right. This is a makeup palette, actually a Halloween makeup palette that I purchased from Ulta. It's the Simpsons. I'm gonna start by putting probably like some brown on the outer corner of my eyelashes. I have this gold on here looking cray cray, and then I am going to go in with, there's like two different kind of greens, so any kind of green you have on hand, bring that thing out. I just want to mention that I struggled to do these Bantu knots. Like, if you are not a Bantu knot person, you can do a high bun, you can just leave your twist out, your braid out. However, I use the Supercurl from Uncle Funky's daughter. This is, I don't want to say it's light, but it's lighter than their other products, and this was really helpful to help me maneuver and get this hairstyle together. This came in handy. Oh my goodness. We are here, and I'll be honest, it's not coming together the way I had it in my head, but I think that a part of that is the fun part of Halloween, and you know, you just can't take yourself too seriously. If you're in a situation like I am, you just need to improvise. So let's turn this frown upside down, and I have a new light and it has a shadow, which I don't like. Like, I am just going through it a little bit. It is okay. So I have my mirror, and I am going to go ahead and start putting some jewels on my head. So the best way to apply these little jewels is to get you some duo and just put a little bit on. Oh shoot. Get a little eyelash applicator and just dip it in there, and then put it on wherever you trying to put it on. Baby boy, baby girl. This is gonna be the last one. Y'all were in for a treat when you clicked this video. Y'all didn't even know it was gonna be all of this, because this is true life. Y'all remember that? It's giving euphoria. Now for the lashes, I have my lashes from Juvia's Place, and I didn't even really know that they sold lashes. This one is called Day Glam, because some of the lashes, they were really intense. And I love a good lash now, but I don't want it to take over my face. So these are pretty cute Nubian lash, Egypt light. Do you see the difference? I have to put a little bit of black mascara on my lash, but this is the eye with the lash, and this is the eye without. And I love it. I love these lashes. I got these little ribbons from Michael's, and I love the wings. They are so fun. I think I might actually wear these on Halloween if I go somewhere, but I feel like wings are kind of problematic. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, thank you to... So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe, turn on the notifications, all of that good stuff. And until the next video, bye.